Hello, this is Dr. Joe Melchesky. Thought I'd do a little bit something different this term. I'd like to, at least occasionally, if not every week, have do a short video. This is not a lecture per se. You'll see this. It can be very quick, just a few minutes. I've done this of some of the other classes. I think the longest one was 10, and the shortest one was 3 minutes. So just wanted to cover some things I do notice instead of going in cold every week. Some students do have issues, and maybe we can go ahead and at least eliminate, if not make those issues a little bit easier to take by doing some of this stuff ahead of time, kind of a preventative type of thing. So just wanted to talk a couple minutes about chapter 1 and 2. We're looking at chapter 1. There's just a lot of definitions, Please keep yourself on, up on these words that we're using. We see just a few of them that I wrote down were resources, goods, services, market, rational self-interest, marginal, especially rational self-interest. Get a good grip on that, and then also marginal. Just what the term marginal means. It's basically incremental, but kind of read over that section a few times. And anything else, just familiar yourselves with basically all the terms that are in there. Chapter 2, we start doing a little bit definitions, but we start looking at terms like opportunity cost, sunk cost, competitive advantage. These are what is used to make decisions in economics, whether they be micro, like we're talking here on a personal level. If you take macro, you will also see quite a few of these terms there, although that's on a much broader, let's say, global image. And you can't really separate the two completely, macro and micro. What's being done is on a macro level definitely affects you on a micro level. We're finding that out right now with tariffs, increased costs, inflation. In some situations, maybe even some decreased costs, but right now with the tariffs and the uncertainty of what's going to happen, we are seeing fluctuations. In some industries, it's not affecting that as much right now. In other industries, we're seeing it's a effect almost immediately. As I'm recording this, companies like Ford and Walmart are already saying these tariffs are going to cause them to charge more for their products that they are selling. So keep that in mind. The other thing I want to tell you to do is after each chapter there's appendices. Please look those over. Like the first chapter does have about reading graphs, making graphs, things like that, and maybe it's been a while since you've done something like that. So I suggest going and taking a look at the graphs and just kind of doing a little bit of catch up on that. And you'll see other appendices. Some of the chapters do have it. Some of the chapters don't have appendices, but I would definitely look at all that. Read the preface. I still don't know if there's an introduction in this book, but read the preface, anything that is there, anything to tell you about this book and what it's about. So please go ahead and let's start off this term. If you have any questions, my email, joseph.melchzeski@waldorf.edu. My phone number is 330-208-6931. You can text or you can call me. As I mentioned in the welcome video, probably text and call me would actually be the best, since I do have my phone on me most of the time. Here's wishing you good luck, and if you have any issues, please get in touch with me.